recorded line.
Yeah, this is November 80 Papa Echo. We're at Lawrenceville. I want to pick up our IFR.
November 80 Papa Echo, Roger. Hold for release. Clear to the Whiskey 00 airport as filed. Maintain 3000. Expect 9000. 10 minutes after departure frequency. You can 125.6. Squawk 1447.
Yeah, we're cleared to Whiskey 00 as filed. Climb maintain 3000, expect 9000, 10 minutes. Departure frequency 125.6. Squawk 1447 and hold for release. 0 Papa Echo.
November 0 Papa Echo, readback is correct. And yeah, just advise on 125.6 when you're ready for departure.
All right, I appreciate your help.
Yep, bye.
Thank you.
Lawrenceville traffic, Skylane 80 Papa Echo, taxiing to the run-up area 18 Lawrenceville. Evansville approach, Skylane November 80 Papa Echo is number 1 at Lawrenceville, ready for departure, runway 18.
0 Papa Echo, Roger, stand by for coordination for airspace configuration.
All right, standing by, 0 Papa Echo.
November 80 Papa Echo, clearance void if not off in 5 minutes. Not off in 5 minutes. Advise ATC no later than 10 minutes of intentions. Released for departure. Altimeter 2986.
Release for departure 2986, 0 Papa Echo. Heels on the floor, fuel on boat. All right, instruments are green. Speed's alive. Rotate. Approach Skylane November 80 Papa Echo is 1,400, climbing 3,000.
November 80 Papa Echo, Evansville departure, ident.
Ident 0 Papa Echo.
November 0 Papa Echo, radar contact 2 miles south of Lawrenceville Airport, maintain 9,000.
Climb maintain 9,000, we clear to go on course now, 0 Papa Echo.
November 0 Papa Echo, affirmative, entering controlled airspace, clear direct, Sierra Hotel, Bravo.
Clear direct Sierra Hotel, Bravo, 0 Papa Echo, appreciate y'all.
November 80 Papa Echo, contact home and approach 119.8. We'll see you.
119.8, 0 Papa Echo. Have a blessed day. Approach Skylane November 80 Papa Echo, 3,100, climbing 9,000.
November 80 Papa Echo, home and approach, turn altimeter 2984.
2984, 0 Papa Echo.
Okay, Greg Taylor saw this sign, said, I don't know how to say that. Lugu T, whatever.
Indy State 3, contact tower.
The picture.
That's what I was going to do. That was just so funny. I just happened to look there and I said, oh my gosh.
Texted already?
Yeah.
Did you say, look where we're flying over right now?
Yeah. I just replied to his Facebook post.
Skylane 0 Papa Echo, contact Indianapolis approach 124.905.
2495, 0 Papa Echo. Have a blessed day. Approach Skylane November 80 Papa Echo, level 9,000.
Skylane 0 Papa Echo, approaching altimeter 2985.
2985, 0 Papa Echo.
That was a nice stop.
It was a nice stop. That was my gosh, they had parking spaces for 200 planes there.
No, it used to be an Army airfield, and it was really cool. There were some pictures of the, hanging in the FBO.
Yeah.
And the FBO was huge.
Yeah. But he said they don't get a lot of traffic. There used to be a flight school there, and then Purdue took it over.
Yeah.
Oh.
But really nice, helpful guy, and we ate lunch at Midway Cafe there in Lawrenceville, and it was really good.
Yeah. Just good old just home cooked meal.
Yeah. If anybody is interested, April 4th and 5th at that airport, they are having a watch for the eclipse. They're having a big fly-in. Huge event there.
They got the spaceport, that's for sure.
The eclipse is going to be straight over them. It's going to be a blackout, they said. So anyway, they have a big event planned. Nice little layer, huh?
It is a little, it's thin though. You can see the ground through it.
Oh yeah.
The 6610 flighting 180 vector sequence. 180 on the 6610. Number 80 Pop Echo, contact Columbus approach 134.45.
3445, 0 Pop Echo. Have a blessed day. Approach Skylane November 80 Pop Echo, level 9 or 1000.
0 Papa Echo, Columbus approach altimeter 2985.
985, 0 Pop Echo.
Well, this lake has a big marina and a lot of, it even has some boats out today.
Bill Lake.
You ready for your snack?
I'd go for a little snack.
It's just cupcakes. It's not homemade chocolate chip cookies, but...
Oh well, that'll work.
And the Casey's caramel chocolate pecan. Works.
Oh.
Right, turn heading 120.
You didn't do it like Vanna, you didn't have it. What was printed on the label was sideways, so you got to do it this way.
30254, where are you guys at right now?
Nice sized town. What are we flying over? Oh, Dayton.
Oh, Dayton. Okay, I couldn't see it anywhere.
This is Middletown. I guess it's just a suburb, but
No.
there's Dayton. I know it's big. I'm going. Oh, there's the airport.
Big airport, big runway anyway, long runway. Grant, is that you?
Nobody's called me Grant in a very long time.
Well, first time for everything.
Number 80 Pop Echo, contact Indianapolis Center 125.55. Good day.
2555, 0 Pop Echo. Have a blessed day.
You too.
Indianapolis Center, Skylane November 80 Pop Echo, level 9 or 1000.
Alright, 0 Pop Echo, Andy Center, Roger. The parking for altimeter 2989er.
2989er, 0 Pop Echo.
Number 80 Pop Echo, safe flight conditions.
Flight haze, and we got a smooth ride. 0 Pop Echo.
Alright, 0 Pop Echo, Roger, thank you.
Pretty out here to my left.
Oh, it is real pretty.
80 Pop Echo, squawk 4155.
4155, 0 Pop Echo.
Good afternoon, please. Cabin 839-200. Imagery 39.
The Ohio River.
Okay. Barges on it.
365.
It's a major river as well. I do believe we're in almost heaven, West Virginia.
Nice sized town here. Lockman camp right here below me too. Plane in front of us. 100 feet below.
United.
He's descending. He may be going to that airport.
Yeah. You'd think you could see him moving because he's right.
Yeah, he may be, nose may be covering him up a little.
Oh, here he is. It's a little jet.
Morgantown altimeter.
There he goes.
289.
He's still descending.
There's the little airport right there.
3988.
This is another one of those really pretty lakes that's got lots of fingers to it. Deep Creek Lake. I don't know what this river is that we're getting ready to cross. Oh, it's the Potomac, right below us.
Pretty ridges, mountain ridges along here.
Know it. It's just pretty, no matter, you know, just in general, it's just pretty. These ridges go almost straight north and south, don't
Yeah, I
they?
know. It's just line after line of them.
0 Papa Echo, contact Potomac approach 126.82.
2682, 0 Papa Echo. Have a blessed day.
Yeah.
Potomac approach, Skylane, November 80 Papa Echo, level 9,000.
0 Papa Echo, Potomac altimeter 2987.
2987, 0 Papa Echo. Start sending us here before too long.
There's the Shenandoah and the Potomac up here. Oh, the Shenandoah is this way, and the Potomac, and then they join.
They split, yeah.
It's right here. You can see. They,
I got it on this side. Good.
I mean, I can see where they come together.
Oh, yeah, I can't quite see that.
Oh, it's a big river. The Potomac is.
Yeah.
373 Alpha, Potomac, maintain VS4 on course, still altimeter 2987. 0 Papa Echo, descend, maintain 7,000.
Down 7,000, 0 Papa.
Caution, TFR ahead.
Caution, TFR ahead.
Yepper.
0 Papa Echo, contact Potomac approach 125.52.
25.52, 0 Papa Echo. Have a blessed day. Approach Skylane, November 80 Papa Echo, level 7,000.
Number 80 Papa Echo, Potomac approach, Baltimore, altimeter 2986.
2986.
Number 34 Hotel Delta, climb and maintain 3,500. Exit 348 traffic is going to be 12 o'clock at 5 miles, opposite direction at 7,000. Aircraft type to Skylane.
Okay, check that 348.
Number 80 Papa Echo, traffic 12 o'clock in 5 miles, will be opposite direction below you at 6,000, a phenom.
Oh, we're looking, 0 Papa Echo. Phenom.
JetBlue 727, turn right. Actually, you know what? Speed 2 is going to work out well. JetBlue 727, approach
I see.
1.7. Have a good day.
I see him, kid.
7, good day, JetBlue 727.
Caution, inside TFR. Caution, inside TFR.
Looky out there. Somebody's come to greet us. They're real friendly around here in Washington, D.C., aren't they?
Oh my gosh. Hey.
Hey. Oh, he's pointing thumbs down. Oh, he wants us to slow down. We're going too fast for him. Oh, okay.
Echo.
Oh,
61 Papa Sierra, Potomac approach, Baltimore altimeter 29.
somebody else over here.
And,
Hey.
Oh, that's cool. That's
visual.
fun. Oh.
Papa Sierra.
Number 0 Papa Echo, also, I do have a number for you. I'd call 1-866-599-3874.
There he is right there, see him?
Oh, yeah.
It's another plane I see down
Yeah,
there.
that's the one that.
132 heavy,
That's the
climb
phenom.
15,000.
6132 heavy climb down 15,000.
Digits 348, approach 126.1, 261, traffic's no factor.
26-1, exact jet 348, good night.
Thanks. Brigade 4577, reduce to 250, then it's going to make you 10,000. I stepped on 70, Brickyard 4577, reduce to 250, then descend and maintain 10,000.
250, then 10, Brickyard 4577.
Delta 24 TD approach 119.7, 197.
197, no throw arrival.
November 80 Papa Echo, I apologize, you're landing at freeway, aren't you?
Affirmative.
Alright, November 0 Papa Echo, I can give you a left turn back to the west a little bit and then get you lower and bring you around that way if you would like.
Whatever works best for you. Do you need us to descend now or what?
Well, I got to turn you away from my departures to get you lower. I'm going to turn you back to the west. Left turn heading 290, and I'll get lower for you in just a moment.
Not a problem, 0 Papa Echo. Left turn 290.
I'm sorry about that.
Basically turning around, aren't we?
250 knots, Brickyard 5646.
Southwest 3700, descend and maintain 5,000.
That's 5,000, Southwest 3700.
For 80 Papa Echo, descend and maintain 5,000.
Descend 5,000, 0 Papa Echo.
November 941, Charlie Mike, Pacific approach, Baltimore, altimeter 2986, expect the visual approach and Tipton.
2986, visual for 28 for 1 Charlie Mike.
Jazz 682, approach 119.7, have a good day.
197 years well, 682.
Southwest 3700, when able to proceed direct to fins, cross fins at 5,000, and then descend via the tertiary gravel, thank you.
Able direct fins, cross fins to 5,000, continue.
She should have descended us sooner.
Well, they could
Full frequency.
because of all those
Southwest 19 7 departure, you better contact climb via the Terp 7 departure. Number 80 Papa Echo, turn left heading 240. I'll get lower for you in just a moment. I got traffic that'll be descending below you, a Mitsubishi Porsche Tipton.
All right, left turn 240, 0 Papa Echo, no problem. Basically just spiraling down.
Yeah.
Over 0 Papa Echo, descend and maintain 4,000.
Down to 4,000, 0 Papa Echo.
Right.
Over 0 Papa Echo, also left turn heading 150.
Left 150, 0 Papa Echo.
Number 1 Charlie Mike, traffic is off your nose, 12 o'clock, and at 2 miles, I'll be turning in the same direction as you, descending above you down to 4,000 at Skylane.
Yeah, you got him in sight for 1 Charlie Mike.
It's fine. And number 0 Papa Echo, traffic off your right, 3 o'clock, and 2 miles, will be below you at 3,000. That's the Mitsubishi, that's going to be going in the same direction as you.
All right, listen, 0 Papa Echo.
Number 0 Papa Echo, also just wanted to verify you do have the information, the weather at Freeway, and that you are familiar with the cancellation.
We don't have weather at Freeway. We had to use Andrews. Freeway didn't have any weather.
Yeah, I apologize. I'm sorry. The local weather just in the area. Thank you. Number 0 Papa Echo, turn 5 right, 5 degrees to the right.
5 right, 0 Papa Echo.
Number 80 Papa Echo, descend and maintain 3,500.
3,500, 0 Papa Echo. Gonna line us up, it looks like pretty good.
Number 1 Charlie Mike, proceed right to Tipton. Let me know when you get to field and site. It's currently at your 11:30 in about 8 miles. Number 0 Papa Echo, descend and maintain 3,000.
3,000, 0 Papa Echo.
Number 80 Papa Echo, turn another 5 degrees to the right, 5 right, and descend and maintain 2,000.
5 right, descend 2,000, 0 Papa Echo.
Number 80 Papa Echo, turn another 5 to the right, another 5 to the right, and then you'll be looking for freeway. We'll be at your 12:30 at about 6 miles.
All right, 5 right, we're looking for 0 Papa Echo. 0 Papa Echo, we have the field in sight.
Number 80 Papa Echo, cleared visual approach and a freeway. There is one aircraft entering the pattern from the south. It's a Skyhawk. They're about 3 miles south of the field, 1,100 feet.
All right, clear for the visual, 18, and we're looking for that traffic, 0 Papa Echo.
0 Papa Echo, radar services terminated, frequency change is approved, and don't forget to cancel your IFR.
I will do that, 0 Papa Echo. Freeway traffic, Skylane November 80 Papa Echo is 3 to north, full stop 18. And approach Skylane November 80 Papa Echo, we can cancel IFR.
All right, number 80 Papa Echo, thanks so much. Your IFR cancellation is received. Again, just remain on the code until you're on.
We'll do, 0 Papa Echo. At night, it is on the freeway, isn't it?
It is.
Freeway traffic 400, go vehicle is 18 freeway.
Well, that was fun.
That was real fun.
Power lines and that freeway and...
Is there a taxiway here? Right here on the end? Is that a taxiway?
Yes, it is.
Freeway traffic 400 Echo.
Yes, it is.
Final 18. Freeway traffic, Skyline 80 Papa Echo. Clear 18 freeway.
Good job, baby.
Yeah. Look at this taxiway.
I know it. It looks like a whole country road, doesn't it?
Traffic over 615 kilo. Downwind on 18 freeway. Oh, watch him land.
I know. I was
Man,
thinking
you're
that
looking
too.
at those semis going right across.
I know it.
Down, going downhill here.
I think I see our car out there too, Ron.
Yeah.
One up here is 8 miles south of the airport.
Oh, there's another one. He's gonna touch and go too, or whatever, Ron. He just turned base.
Kilo. That's a very interesting approach coming in here. Where do we park at?
I would think over here, Ron. See, their fuel pumps are over there. The flag and a picnic table.
Good grief. I didn't think this thing was going to be quite this obscured. You know?
Yep,
Close.
real close. Very
Clear or not?
clear.